Hey guys, we're back today. I'm going to be doing some French tips. We have this prepped mani, sheer nails, already wiped the top coat of the nails that we're going to be doing the design on. So let's twist up this French manicure. First mani we're going to do is a simple traditional French, but we're just changing up the colors, doing a nude coverage base and this really beautiful into the deep tip. It looks really awesome when you use any of the neon colors or maybe even pastels. It's the easiest way to really switch up and just kind of bring a French manicure to life a little bit more just by changing that tip. And these hands, as you can see, are all about blues today, so we had to pick this color. Now the nail's done, we wiped. You see how awesome that looks? Super simple. A little edgy, just switching up the color. Love it. All right, let's try out the next one. This French tip is super cute, and what we're gonna do is swoop the tip from the side to the front without really covering the whole nail. So we're gonna start with the darker into the deep for this. And I'm just gonna start kind of getting the angle the way that I want and the thickness of the line the way that I want. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the lighter shade. So I'm just gonna go in, get it as thick as I wanted, and have it swoop up to that edge, getting thinner as we go up. And now, here you have it, a super cute double side tip French mani. Okay, so for this manicure, it has been such a hot trend, and what we're gonna do is outline the free edge of the nail. So I'm gonna start kind of where that free edge begins and draw my line. It's really important that you use a nice thick gel for this because you want the lines to be very defined and not runny. So I'm just gonna go ahead and outline her natural shape of her nail plate. And then we're gonna go ahead and outline all the way around to the tip. And there you have it. Super cute outline tip. This has been so popular on Instagram. It is so simple. I love it. All right, now this one, we're going to do kind of like a pattern French tip. I'm gonna do kind of like a little watercolor-esque vibe going here, but this is super simple to just color the tip a nude and do leopard print on it. Do any pattern or shape, but really using that space to create a little bit of art than just your usual line is a really fun way to twist up the French manicure, and really simple. And there we have it, a super cute water marble-esque French tip. And of course in shades of blue. Okay, now this last one has definitely been an Instagram favorite, and we're just doing a straight side angle French tip and just cut across from the side of the nail, higher than you would usually start a French tip probably, and just cut all the way across. Super, super cute. And again, very, very simple. So I hope that you guys found these French manicure ideas really helpful, and I hope that they're simple enough for you to accomplish and twist up an old tradition. And thank you again, everyone, for tuning in and watching this super fun art video. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of the info coming out. So much more to come. Thanks again, everyone, for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.